Hi friend, please subscribe my channel. New Vivo V7 Plus unlocked dual SIM, 4G plus 4G, 5.99 full view display, 4GB RAM, 16MP primary plus 24MP front facing camera, black, 64GB. Dual Nano SIM, 4G plus 3G, 4G LTE does not work in the US. 3G works with AT&T and AT&T based GSM carriers. Does not work with Sprint, Verizon, US Cellular and all other CDMA carriers. LTE compatibility. This is Taiwan stock, varies per carrier. Ensure to check with your carrier before purchase. Qualcomm Octa-core 1.8 GHz Cortex-A53 CPU, 64GB ROM, 4GB RAM, supports microSD, up to 256GB. Dedicated slot, 3225 mAh battery. Main camera, 16MP, f/2.0, phase detection, autofocus, LED flash. Front camera, 24MP, f/2.0, 5.99 inches, IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, 16M colors. Package content: Vivo V7 Plus, earphone, microUSB to USB cable, USB power adapter, SIM ejector, protective case, protective film, applied. Documentation. Please note, this is an Taiwan version of the phone that comes with no warranty in the US.